Inheritance in C++. The capability of a class to derive properties and characteristics from another class is called inheritance. Inheritance is one of the most important features of object-oriented programming language. Inheritance is a feature for a process in which new classes are created from the existing classes. The new class created is called derived class or child class. An existing class is known as the base class or a parent class. The derived class now is said to be inherited from the base class. When we say derived class inherits the base class, it means the derived class inherits all the properties of the base class without changing the properties of a base class and may add new features to its own. These new features in derived class will not affect the base class. The derived class is specialized class for the base class. Subclass. The class that inherits properties from another class is called subclass or derived class. Superclass. The class whose properties are inherited by subclass is called base class or superclass. The article is divided into two following subtopics. Modes of inheritance are and types of inheritance. Why and when to use inheritance. Consider a group of vehicles you need to create for classes for bus, truck, car. The methods fuel, amount, capacity, apply brakes will be the same for all three classes. If we create these classes avoiding inheritance, then we have to write all of these functions in each of three classes as shown below figure. Class bus, class car, class truck. You can clearly see that the above process result in duplication of the same code three times. This increases the chances of error and data redundancy. To avoid this type of situation, inheritance is used. If we create a class vehicle and write these three functions in it and inherit the rest of the classes from the vehicle class, then we can simply avoid the duplication of data and increase reusability. Look at below diagram in which three classes are inherited from the vehicle class. Class vehicle, fuel, amount, capacity, apply brakes. Class bus, class car, class truck. Using inheritance, we have to write the functions only one time instead of three times, as we have inherited the rest of three classes from the base class. Implementing the inheritance in C++.